Hi, welcome back to the video, and this video will be a progressive video from the previous video where we did the axis and definition of each story. So this will be a continuation video from there, and in this video we will be seeing how to add columns in your design. So first of all, you have to go to a plan view, and the column will be easier for you to add through the plan view. And since we already added all the stories from base story 1, story 2 and story 3, when you go to a plan view, we can see from the cursor from down here, you can see for each level of your building. So this will be story 1, story 2 and story 3. And to add the column, we'll be starting from story 1, and the column will be going downwards to the base with the footing over there. You will see what I'm talking about right now. So to start off, we have to go to the column icon over here, or at the same, you can go through geometry as well. So you can find columns over here. So click on column, and the dialog box will appear in your screen. So from here, you have to make sure the type of column is RC column for this design, and the section, you can choose the section from here, or if you don't have the required section over here, you can click on over here to custom create the section dimension. So for my column, the column will be 25 times 25. So add that, and automatically will appear over here. So you close this dialog box, and the height of my column will be 3 meters because it's each floor is 3 meters apart. So that's 3 meters, and as you can see the orientation over here, since we are in story 1, we can't do a upward uh, store orientation, which is Z positive, because you don't have any column towards the base. So since we are starting from story 1, we should be going from story 1 to the base, which is going downwards, which is Z negative axis. So add that, and for the beginning there, to add the column, you just go to the point that you want your column to be and click it, and then the second column will be over here, and the third column will be over here. And of course you can click for each point that you want your column to be, but since this is a simple design, you can do that. But let's say if you're having a big project design and you have more than like let's say 50 to 20 columns, you can't be clicking for each points, right? So I'll be showing you how to do a simpler way and copy all these column to each grid line. To do that, you close this dialog box, you copy all the column that you already did, and you go to edit icon over here and search for move/copy, and a dialog box will appear. For this I'll be copying these 3 columns towards each y-axis over here. So my x-axis will be 0, and my y-axis will be the distance from this grid line to this grid line, which is 4 meters. As I'm going to copy to downwards, it will be negative 4 meters, and the x-axis will be 0. And click on copy, and the number of repetition will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So number of repetition will be 4, and execute. As you can see, all the columns had been copied into your grid line points. So you close that, close this, and you can see your column in the view. In the 3D view, you can already see the column, and if you click on section shapes, you can see the column, it's already been added to your each grid line. So you go to a plan. So make sure the column is following your section, your drawing, your architectural drawing. And for me, I have some additional column to be added, so I'll be adding that right now. RC column 25 times 25, 3 meters downwards, yes. And then the beginning will be, I'll be having a section room over here, which means this room and this room will be separated with a wall. So this room will be a storeroom and this room will be a toilet. So I'll be a section division over here with a wall, and also this will be my entrance, and I'll be having a staircase rising up and to a landing and rising up to the second floor. So I'll be having a landing over here, so I'll be having a a column a column over here as well. So I'll add that to have a landing over there and close. So make sure your column is correctly placed according to your architectural drawing. And from here I will end this video, and in the next video you will see how to add beams to your columns and connecting them. Thank you.